In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram on Substack. If you've ever wanted to add a bit more flair to your Substack newsletters, or simply share some engaging content directly from Instagram, you've come to the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly incorporate Instagram posts into your Substack content, enhancing the visual and interactive elements of your newsletters. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Instagram post that you'd like to embed. This could be any public post that resonates with your newsletter theme or content. Once you've got the post in front of you, you'll want to look towards the top right corner where you'll see three little dots. That's your menu button for more options. Click on those three dots, and from the drop down menu you'll see an option that says copy link. Give that a click and you've now copied the link to that Instagram post. Next you'll need to move over to your Substack editor. Open up the draft where you're working on your next newsletter. It's time to paste that Instagram link. Place your cursor on a fresh line within your draft. You want to make sure you have a blank space to insert this new piece of vibrant content. Paste the copied Instagram URL right there on that new line. It's as simple as that. Now here's where the magic happens. Substack has a nifty feature that auto-detects when you've added an Instagram URL. As soon as you paste that link, Substack will automatically begin to generate an embedded preview of the Instagram post. This transforms that simple link into a visually rich and interactive element directly in your newsletter draft. It gives your subscribers a mini window into the Instagram world you've decided to share. One crucial note to remember here is the privacy settings of the Instagram post you're embedding. You must ensure that the post is from a public Instagram account. Posts from private accounts unfortunately won't display properly when embedded in your Substack. This limitation ensures that privacy settings respected across platforms, maintaining the integrity of content sharing. So there you have it. With these easy steps, you're now equipped to embed Instagram posts into your Substack newsletter. This not only adds a visually appealing element to your content, but also allows you to engage your readers with varied multimedia content. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now your newsletters can reflect the dynamic and engaging storytelling you're known for. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy embedding.